Hello, it's George Kaiho of Jettison in Dallas, Texas. This is a video to explain how to make the Red-Headed Oaxacan, which is a very popular cocktail of my bar, Jettison. It's basically a mezcal version of a classic cocktail called the penicillin, and it's very easy to make at home too. So I'm gonna explain how to do it. First of all, get a glassware. At Jettison, I use like a tulip or like a larger glass. If you don't have stuff like that, you can get like a rocks glass. Anything will work. First, I'm gonna rim the edge of the glassware with salt. So you cut citrus, in this case lemon, and then you make the outside wet with the lemon juice. Just not the inside, and then you use the salt and you dip it in. It's called the rim, like that, about quarter. And try not to have the salt go into the glass, so your cocktail is not gonna get salty. And start building the cocktail. Ounce and a half of the Madre Mezcal. And then half an ounce each of lemon juice and my house-made ginger honey. All right, ginger honey. And then I'm gonna add ice and going to shake. Adding ice to the glassware first. Add to the shaker. Alright, done. Let's go strain it. And finished. To enjoy, please take a little bit of the salt and then stick it like that. It's good. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon. George Jettison.